everyone, this is Ebony from blankapparel.com. Today we're going to be upcycling an old t-shirt and creating a no-sew flowy t-shirt vest. This DIY is super simple. All you need is a t-shirt and a pair of scissors. The sharper the better. We recommend using a shirt a couple sizes up from what you'd usually wear. The larger the shirt, the longer it hangs, and the flowier the vest. I chose an extra large, which hangs to about the middle of my thigh, but any size will work. It's all personal preference. I also used a tri-blend t-shirt because not only are they super soft, the rayon content gives the vest a nice drape. The first cut we're going to make is along the bottom hem of the shirt. This cut is really just a stylistic choice. You can leave the hem on or cut it off. That's up to you. Next, we're going to cut both sleeves off, including the hem. This is where it's nice to have an extra sharp pair of scissors, so that you can make clean cuts with minimal fraying. After that, we're going to cut off the collar around the seam. With this cut, you really want to start small and get bigger. If you make your first cut too big, there's no going back. Finally, we're going to cut up the fold around the side seams to completely get that seam off, not just down the middle of them. This cut goes from the bottom of the shirt all the way up to the sleeves. Once you've completed that, you're almost done. Now, you can open it up, check out your cuts. If there are any rough edges, you can clean them up now before you try it on. Put your arms through the hole like this. Straighten it out a bit, and there you have it, a super fun, super flowy DIY vest. This DIY is super simple, and it only takes a few minutes. All you need is a t-shirt and a pair of scissors.